Most of us rely on Google for answers now. Whenever we have questions or uncertainties, we check Google for some answers, clarifications, and even advice. Google is one of the biggest companies in the world. Every day, the amount of traffic that it receives is endless. People use it to ask for information, discover new trends, look up their favorite TV shows, artists, and singers. Aside from that, it is also used to visit social media applications and other websites. However, a lot of people do not know that you can actually earn money from Google. As long as you have a phone or a computer and internet connection, you would be able to make some dollars. Aside from that, this is very convenient and accessible because they serve worldwide. I know you are already curious, so stay tuned and keep watching to learn more information about this strategy. Who knows, you might be able to make up to $2,000 a day. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. First, proceed to Google and look for Google News. You can also visit it directly when you open an internet browser. This is the Google News page. I will teach you how you can earn money from using Google News. Now, take a look at the left side of the page. You can see the news category on that side, such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health. There are more news categories that you can access through this feature. Now, pressing these categories will redirect you to another page that will show news related to it. Let's click the health category to see the latest news related to health and wellness. These articles are professionally made. Aside from that, they are informative and interesting to read. Just scroll and choose any article that piques your interest. Press the link so that you will be able to see the whole article. It contains all the information you need to know about its title. Now, this article is the one that you will use to make money online. You just need to copy the sentences in the article or even the whole paragraph that it contains. Once you are done copying the article, you need to proceed to the next website, which is called spinbot.com. Spinbot is an online website that will allow you to paraphrase sentences and paragraphs for free. Basically, it will rewrite a text for you so it would sound unique and different from the original text. To do this, you just need to paste the copied article into this box. Then, press this button to start. The site will automatically paraphrase the article for you. It will make it sound entirely new and original. Again, you just need to copy the article from Google News and paste it onto this site. Once you are done, you just need to click this button. Google and artificial intelligence will help you earn money online. They will rewrite an article that you can use to earn money online. It will make the article sound unique and professional. Once the paraphrasing is done, you can finally use the article to make some cash. The next step that you need to do is to visit these sites that I will tell you about. You can earn money from visiting sites that accept article submissions. The first website that you need to visit is called Textbroker.com. You can find it on the internet. Once you open it already, the homepage will look like this. Press the I Write Content button located at the top of the screen. Then, press on Payment. It will show you the amount of money that you may earn from this site. The amount of money that you can get will depend on the quality of your articles. You will be rated with stars, and those ratings will have a corresponding monetary value. On the site, they will pay you per word, meaning the more words that you include in your article, the more money you can get. Again, you will not write any articles because you have Google to help you get one. You do not need to have any writing expertise nor experience because there is the Spinbot for you. You can actually get paid for just searching the internet for news. It is one of the simplest Google hacks that I have ever seen. The second website that you need to visit is called IWriter.com. This site is really easy to navigate. You just need to follow these steps to start earning from it. First, create an absolutely free account. Then, you need to request what kind of content you'll want to work on. You can choose from the wide range of categories that they offer. There are popular categories like business, technology, entertainment, and many more. Choose one among these to start receiving article projects. Once you receive a project, you need to check whether you want to accept it or not. If you accept it, you will be able to download the content and get paid for doing it. The amount of money that you can earn will be based on what the customer will purchase. Basically, you can earn around $8.5 for a job that consists of 300 words. Of course, this will also increase as the word count increases too. Providing high-quality articles will allow you to join the Elite Plus category. In this category, you can make up to $300 for articles that have 3,500 words. Again, the amount of money that you can earn is really high. The best thing about this is that you can submit the same article that you choose to these two websites. You will simultaneously get paid for doing it too. Now, the last website that I want you to look at is called Scripted. Look for scripted.com on your browser to open its homepage. This site will pay you for writing articles. Press the Become a Writer button. You will get redirected to another page where you can apply to work as a freelancer. Fill up the application form and submit it as soon as possible. Then, you can start working and earning money from it. The world is already changing. You can already start earning money from any industry. Google News is really popular because it provides a wide range of information and articles that you can use. These are valuable resources that you can use to earn money on the internet. The site updates every day, hence, there are always new articles to paraphrase. You just need to go to Spinbot and let it do its job of paraphrasing various articles. This is an excellent site for beginners. The steps on how you can earn money are really simple. Aside from that, you can instantly get paid 15 days after you get accepted. What makes it the best is that it will allow you to set your own price. By charging more, you can easily make more money on the internet. Currently, the site accepts applications from more than 20 nations. Just press the Apply Now button to start your online money-making journey on this site. This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.